आज के निकट ये प्रश्न पूछा है।
He asked this question to Sukadeva Goswami Pada. Oh Bhagavan, Gurudev,
आप मेरा संशय को आप
please fix my doubt. I have a doubt.
स्वयं लक्ष्मीपति
Lakshmipati, the husband of Lakshmi, God, Narayan,
और ऐसे लक्ष्मीपति नारायण के भजन करने वाले लोग
and people who worship Narayan,
दिखा जाता है।
they are all, majority of them are poor.
और
And
शिव जी की उपासना करने वाले व्यक्ति के दिखा देता है बहुत धन संपत्ति प्राप्त हो जाता है।
those who worship Shiva, they are very, very rich, opulent.
स्वयं शिव जी
So Shivji,
कैसे
how
अपने साधारण रूप में रहते हैं, वैराग्य रूप।
he is a renunciant.
इसलिए हमें
He
कुछ
stays
संशय
very
हो रहे हैं।
simply. So I am doubting
ये लक्ष्मीपति
that the husband of Lakshmi, who is the wife, who is the husband of the presiding grace of wealth, and his devotees are poor, and people who worship Shiva, they are very rich,
है। और वही शिव जी साधारण रूप में
and Shivji stays very simply in Kailash,
जटाजूधारी शरीर में सर्प
and he wears the snake on his around his neck, puts his ash on his body, puts ash on his body,
आदि धारण पहनते,
lives completely like a renunciant. Why? I don't understand.
संशय के आप
Please
दूर करें।
give answer.
इस कथा को सुन करके
After hearing this,
सुखदेव
Goswami Pad said, Maharaj Parikshit, listen.
भक्त और भगवान,
Bhakt and Bhagavan.
भक्त जैसे चाहते हैं भगवान उसके उसी प्रकार ही सब कुछ देते हैं।
Depending on the desire of the devotee, God he gives
किंतु देखो
what devotee needs.
शिव जी के उपासना
But those who worship Shiva,
दिखाया जाता है, बहुत सुंदर है।
it's good.
महादेव की सेवा,
Serving Mahadev,
किंतु
Shiva.
कभी-कभी
But
उल्टा
sometimes
फल भी आ जाता है।
you get opposite fruits also.
पहले मुझे समझ में नहीं आता
I
है।
don't understand. Gurudev,
आप मुझे
please
स्पष्टीकरण कीजिए।
explain.
तब उस समय
Then at that time, Srila Sukadeva Goswami
परीक्षित
Pad,
महाराज के निकट
in front of Parikshit Maharaj,
भस्मासुर
he
और
explained the
नरकासुर के
katha of Bhasmasur, the demon who turned everyone into ashes. There was a demon,
है, वृकासुर नाम से।
Brikasur.
वो एक बार
Once upon a
भ्रमण
time,
करते-करते
while wandering,
कैलाश में
he entered Kailash.
जहाँ पर स्वयं महादेव जी
There Mahadev
अपने पत्नी पार्वती के साथ
was sitting with his wife Parvati and
हरि कथा कीर्तन
discussing
आदि
some Hari Katha Kirtan.
करते। पार्वती के इतने सुंदर रूप देख कर
After seeing such a beautiful form of Parvati, the demon got enchanted.
विचार करने लगे
He thought
कि शिव जी के पत्नी को मैं हरण करूं।
that I will abduct the wife of
शिव जी
Shiva.
के पत्नी को हरण करना संभव
But
नहीं।
it's not. But it is impossible to
महादेव
abduct the
जहाँ पर
wife
है,
of Shiva.
त्रिशूल हाथ में है।
Shiva always carries his trident with him.
भगवान के पास कोई काना कौड़ी नहीं है,
God has no money,
तथापि क्या
but
रखा
yet
हाथ में?
he has
ऐसे त्रिशूल को रखा।
beautiful trident, very sharp and powerful. Why? Why he
क्योंकि
keeps
जानते
this?
हैं, ये
Because he
पशु
knows
लोग आकर के
the
कभी-कभी
demons will come and they will
मुझे तंग करता है।
create problems.
इसलिए दुष्ट के दमन करने
So
के
to kill them, punish them,
लिए भगवान महादेव शिव
Lord
जी
Mahadev,
ये त्रिशूल
he
के
carries trident.
हनुमान जी देखो,
Hanuman,
हनुमान जी जहाँ पर है ना उनके
wherever
पास
Hanuman ji
क्या
has,
रहता
he
है?
also has this weapon, mace. He has a mace. What is the need?
बड़े जो भगवत विरोधी होगा
Those who are against God
दंड देना।
need to be punished.
इसलिए हनुमान जी
So Hanuman ji always he carries his mace. Wherever Hanuman ji is there,
अपने हाथ में,
automatically he always holds mace with him.
और ये कथा में
Okay, so what we were discussing was at that time
वही असुर
that
विचार
demon
करने लगे
thought
कि इनको कैसे हरण करें।
that how to kidnap the wife of Shiva.
अरे हरण करना ये देखो महादेव जी बहुत सरल,
Mahadev is very simple.
महादेव की उपासना बहुत सरल
To
है।
worship him is also simple. No need to do many things.
थोड़ी सी गंगा जल,
Take little bit of Ganga
और
water,
बेलपत्ता चढ़ा दो,
water of
देखो
Ganges and
महादेव
offer
को
Bel Patra and he will be very pleased.
है। भगवान विष्णु में जितने फूल लगते हैं, अच्छे अच्छे फूल लगते हैं, महादेव
Lord
का
Vishnu,
कहना है,
to
वो
worship Lord Vishnu, we need very, very beautiful flowers. Lord Shiva says, no need to give me any flower. Mahadev says,
मेरे प्रभु के लिए सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा चीज़
everything must be good, must be for my worshipable
है। और
Prabhu.
मेरे लिए
And for me,
सबसे
give me the worst things to me.
महादेव की कौन सा पत्र
So which
चढ़ाया जाता है?
flower is offered? Which leaf? Bel Patra is offered. Bel Patra is offered to Mahadev. Mahadev becomes
थोड़ी
pleased.
सी गंगा जल
Little bit of Ganga water you give and Bel Patra give.
प्रणाम करो,
And you give pranam to him, then he will be
और
pleased.
कुछ करना नहीं।
No need to do anything else.
नमः शिवाय, बस।
Namah Shivaya. Bas. Done. Mantra is also very easy.
तो वो असुर
So that demon
विचार करने बहुत अच्छी बात।
started to think, very nice.
और वो असुर जप करना शुरू किया,
Started to do fire sacrifice.
और यही मंत्र जप करने लगे।
Chanted this mantra, Om Namah Shivaya.
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। सभी मंत्र जप करें।
Everybody chant.
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। एक एक बेलपत्र
With every mantra he chanted, he offered one by one many, many Bel Patras, and Shivji became pleased. Shivji was pleased.
पहले तो शिव जी आना नहीं चाहते,
Shivji did not want to go.
जानते हैं
He knows
दुष्ट है,
that he's a bad demon.
हमसे और कुछ बहुत मांगे।
He will ask me some stupid benediction.
देवी कहने लगे जाओ ना,
But
तुम्हारे
demigod
भक्त
say,
तुम्हें बुला रहे हैं,
the devotee is calling, you must
अपेक्षा
go.
मत करो। है? देवी कहने पर महादेव
After
जी
said,
वो
Devi
असुर के
insisted,
निकट
then the Shiva, he
बोले,
came in front of the
"बाबा,
demon, asked for benediction, what do you want?
तो कहने लगे
He said,
महादेव जी वर देना है मुझे, वर
if you want to give
दीजिए,
benediction,
हथेली
give
में
me, make my palm
ऐसे वर दीजिए,
so powerful
इसके सिर पर
that
मैं
if I touch
हाथ
anyone's
रख दूं,
head,
हाथ रख दूं,
then they must turn to ashes quickly.
देखो महादेव जी
Mahadev,
बिना विचार से
Without-
इमामस्तु, ऐसे
he thinking, he just gave the
और वो
benediction.
असुर हा हा
Okay.
हा हा करके
Asur, the demon started to laugh.
बोले क्या?
Why?
बोले, पहले महादेव,
Like first
आपने
Mahadev, I
मेरी
want to
परीक्षा
test it
करी।
on you. My hand works or not.
महादेव बोले, मैंने तुमको
Mahadev
बहुत
said,
दिया,
I give you
तुम
the
मुझे ही
benediction, you want to
मारोगे?
kill me?
हाँ जी।
He said, yes.
देखो महादेव जी
Mahadev started to
और
run.
वो असुर हाथ को ऐसे लंबी करके बढ़ा
The
करके
demon extended out his hand and started to run behind
अरे
Mahadev.
महादेव जी दौड़ते दौड़ते क्या करें?
So Mahadev
ब्रह्मा जी के
was
पास
running and he ran to Brahma. Brahmaji said, listen, I cannot protect you
आप
now.
एक काम करो, भगवान विष्णु के
Go
पास।
to Vishnu.
महादेव जी दौड़ते दौड़ते
Mahadev, while
उस
running,
तरफ चलने लगे, भगवान विष्णु के पास जाकर के बोले, प्रभु
Vishnu said, Prabhu, please protect me.
भगवान विष्णु बोले,
Lord
महादेव
Vishnu
जी,
said, Mahadev,
आप असुरों के ऐसे क्यों वर दे देते?
why do you give benedictions like this? Why always you do this? At least take some test check qualification and then give benedictions. Are they qualified to receive the benediction or not? If you give something,
देना है तो योग्य है कि नहीं,
then at least check the qualification before giving. You must check the qualification before you give something. If you give something to an unqualified person, they will misuse it. They won't utilize it properly.
तुमने ऐसे क्यों वर दे दिया?
Why do you give benedictions like this?
महादेव जी ने बोले, प्रभु,
Mahadev said, Prabhu,
आप मेरे
You
कुछ हो।
are my everything. So I know. I don't worry about anything. I know you are behind my back to protect me always. So Vishnu said, Mahadev, don't do this again.
अच्छा तुमको
Okay,
मेरा
then
अच्छा-
now I will protect.
देखो उसके पीछे पीछे
Then
वो असुर आने लगे।
the demon was coming. In the meantime, God Himself,
एक सुंदर ब्रह्मचारी
He manifested
के
in form of a beautiful young
बाल
brahmachari.
ब्रह्मचारी देखने
Bal
को
brahmachari, very very attractive he was. His voice was very melodious. And Vishnu, he manifested in form of Bal brahmachari,
आपने ले लिया, है?
holding a small cloth-like bag in his hand, and in one hand he is holding his water pot.
लेकर के खड़े।
He was standing.
इतने सुंदर रूप भगवान के-
After seeing such a beautiful form of brahmachari form of God,
वो असुर पूछने लगे,
the demon asked,
तुमने
have
महादेव
you
को
seen
देखा?
Shiva, Mahadev?
विष्णु रूपी ब्रह्मचारी कहने लगे,
The brahmachari Vishnu disguised as brahmachari said, "Oh,
महादेव के साथ क्या काम है?
what do you need? Why are you looking
ना
for him?"
महादेव ने मुझे वर दे
He
दिया,
said, Mahadev gave me a benediction that
इसको रख दो,
if I touch my palm on anyone's head, then the body will turn to ashes of that person.
भगवान नमस्कार करते हुए,
The young brahmachari smiled and said,
अरे आप
Oh,
विद्वान होकर के
"You are
पंडित
so
होकर के
knowledgeable, you are highly scholar,
महादेव की बातों में आ गए।
and you got tricked by Mahadev. He is always lying. For thousands of years, I've been worshipping him. He also gave me the same benediction to me also.
कुछ नहीं हुआ,
But it was useless. It did not work. I tried.
ऐसे होता है।
And what he says is not true.
देखो मैं अपने हाथ
See,
पर हाथ रखता
I'm
हूँ,
putting my hand on my head. Nothing is burning. Why are you worrying so
अरे
much?
किसी का हाथ में, किसी का हाथ,
If someone's hand is capable enough to turn something to ashes, like, is it possible?
हाथ से लोग सही बस कर लेते हैं।
People will turn into ashes through fire.
थोड़ी आगे,
Is there fire in your hand? Need fire to turn to ashes, right?
इतनी सुंदर,
So after hearing beautiful sweet words
वो असुर विचार
from
करने
young brahmachari, the demon thought, oh, it's true. Might be true.
के
Maybe,
पीछे क्यों दौड़ रहा है?
why am I running behind him?
ब्रह्मचारी कहने लगे,
ब्रह्मचारी said,
ब्रह्मचारी कहने लगे, देखो तुम्हारी
Vishnu disguised as brahmachari said,
देखो,
no,
मैं
see,
मेरे हाथ में कितने बार
no one will work. See, Mahadev gave me this benediction 100 of times.
कुछ नहीं हुआ।
But this does not work. See, I'm touching my head.
वो असुर विचार करने के बाद
Demon thought, oh, might be true. I should check.
भाई हो गया।
Then he became afraid
हाथ पे जमीन,
that if I touch my hand on my head, I might turn to ashes.
भगवान विष्णु
Vishnu,
ब्रह्मचारी के रूप
in
में
form of brahmachari, said, "Arey, nothing will happen. See, pick up your hand.
अपने सिर पर
Put your hand over your head and feel. If some heat is come, at least some heat will come.
आग हो,
If there is potency in the hand to turn into ashes, then some heat must be there in the hand, right?"
वो असुर
Then the demon started to check if there was some heat or not. I bring it down more and check nicely. The brahmachari said.
अरे हाथ
He said, put down. Hey, check. Brahmachari said, see, I take both of my hands and put out my hand. Nothing happening. Nothing will happen. I'm guarantee 100%.
उस समय वो असुर
Then the demon, he
हाथ पे जो है
put his hand on his head like this, and then simultaneously
वो
he turned into ashes.
है। इसी कथा को सुनाते हैं
After explaining this katha,
परम वैष्णव
Vaishnavas,
ठाकुर,
Thakur,
इसलिए महादेव जी
Shiva is the topmost Vaishnava. So what this regard? Shiva is very simple. He is giving benediction very simply. So in scriptures it is said,
प्रसाद भी भयंकर,
Prasadapi Bhayankar.
समझना महादेव की बात को समझना,
To,
ये साधारण नहीं।
to understand Mahadev's benediction is not ordinary.
कोई शिव के भांति
As like Shiva,
महान शिव नहीं होकर के
if they are not qualified as like Shiva and they want to do something, they will be destroyed.
यथा रुद्र अब्धिज विषम, समुद्र से
From ocean,
जहर आ गया,
the most powerful poison came out. Who drank that poison? Lord Shiva.
और महादेव जी समस्त जहर को
And Mahadev, he drank all the poison and he stored it in his throat. That's why
हजारों टन
thousands and tons of
जहर बहा-
poison it was.
विष आ गया। और सारे
And all the
जहर को
poison
जिसको
he drank.
महादेव जी पान खाए। है? इसलिए महादेव
That's why Mahadev, he stored it in his throat.
है? क्योंकि महादेव जानते हैं मेरे
Mahadev
हृदय
knows
में
that in my heart
विराजमान
Govinda
है।
resides.
कहीं गोविंद की किसी
If-
का कष्ट न हो जाए।
So if this poison goes inside, the Govinda will be in trouble.
है?
So to protect him, he is holding it in throat. Mahadev, one name is Neelkant, one who is holding poison in the throat.
जय हो।
Due to poison, the throat of Lord Shiva became a bit blue, so that blue means Neel, and Neelkant, one who has like a bluish throat because of poison. That's why Hari Har Ekatma,
अत्यंत प्रियत्व होने के नाते
because he's very very close and beloved of God.
एकात्मा में कहा,
They are one.
हरिहर के प्रस्थान
Hari Har Kshetra, like Shiva and Krishna one.
और
Hari Har, there is a Hari Har Kshetra, there is a place.
भगवान कृष्ण,
Hari means Vishnu and Har means Lord Shiva.
हरिहर एकात्मा
Hari Har Ekatma, they are one.
के नाते यही नाते भगवान का अत्यंत प्रिय भक्त,
He is very, very close and intimate associate devotee of God, Mahadev. He is very, very close and intimate devotee of God. He is the topmost devotee.
ये सारी कथा को भी
All this katha was expressed by Sukadeva Goswami to Parikshit Maharaj. Sometimes the demigods,
संशय में पड़ जाते हैं,
they doubt.
क्योंकि शास्त्र में लिखा
So the
गया
scriptures it is said.
त्रिदेवता कहा जाता है,
Three devta, the three main devtas, three dev. Brahma, Vishnu
विष्णु
and
और
Mahesh, Shiva.
त्रिदेवता कहा जाता है।
Three main demigods, devtas. If God is one,
ये तीन देवता के लिए क्यों कहा?
then why there are three primary devtas?
समाज में
In the assembly of demigods,
इस कथा को लेकर के बहुत,
everyone was arguing about this.
ये भगवान स्वयं भगवान कौन है?
Who is the supreme?
भगवान तो एक ही भगवान है,
God is one, right?
तो यहाँ पर त्रिदेवता क्यों?
So how possible three are here?
तीन भगवान कैसे हैं?
How can three people be God? Like three can be
एक
God.
समाज में देवता लोग भी
In the assembly of demigods, they were doubting. They were thinking, who is the supreme? In the meantime,
भृगु ऋषि
Bhrigu Rishi entered
प्रकट हुए।
that assembly.
भृगु ऋषि आकर के कहते
He
हैं,
came and said,
देवता लोग,
"O demigods,
आप लोग संशय मत करो,
don't worry.
मैं
I will go and check,
प्रमाण करता हूँ कौन स्वयं भगवान।
and I will give evidence who is God, who is the
देखो, भृगु
supreme."
ऋषि
So Bhrigu Rishi
ब्रह्मा जी के
he
पास
went to
सप्तलोक
Brahma, in Brahmalok, Satyalok.
और सप्तलोक में जाकर के ब्रह्मा जी ने ना प्रणाम किया ना कुछ किया, ऐसे खड़े
He did not do to any pranams to Brahma. He was just standing still.
रुष्ट हो गए।
Brahmaji became angry. He said, "O Bhrigu,
तुम बड़ों के सम्मान देना
you don't know how to
नहीं
respect your elders.
जानते। मैं सृष्टि
I am the creator.
मैं सृष्टि करता हूँ।
I manage the creation."
ब्रह्मा जी को कहा क्या कहा जाता है?
Brahmaji is called the creator, like he managed the department of
मैं
creation.
सृजन करने वाला हूँ। इस प्रकार
Like this,
ब्रह्मा जी
Brahma
बहुत क्रोधित होकर के
became very angry.
और भृगु ऋषि के कुछ बोले।
He said, chastised like Bhrigu Rishi. And then Bhrigu Rishi, he realized that Brahma is
भगवान
not God.
ये ब्रह्मा जी के हृदय में
In the heart of Brahma,
अभी
there is
रजोगुण है,
Rajogun.
क्योंकि भगवान जो होते हैं
Because God is,
ये सत्तर रजत तमोगुण के अतीत
he is beyond the Sattva-Rajatama-gun. Hari Nirguna Sakshat.
पुरुष और प्रकृति बराबर, भागवत में वर्णन नहीं।
Bhagavad, this is
भगवान
explained.
श्री हरि
Or Sri Hari, Sattva-Rajatama, he is beyond this.
इसलिए
That's
भृगु
why
ऋषि ने घोषणा की ऐलान किया,
Bhrigu Rishi declared
ये ब्रह्मा
that
जी
Brahma is not
भगवान
God.
नहीं। अब इनके हृदय में
In his heart, he has this Rajogun.
मैं करने वाला हूँ।
That I am the doer. He has this false ego.
उस स्थान को छोड़कर के
He left
चले
that
गए
place.
महादेव के
Then he
पास।
went to Shiva.
महादेव जब खड़े,
When Mahadev was there, he did not do any pranam and anything. He did not say anything. Mahadev said, "Oi Bhrigu,
तुम्हें सम्मान करना नहीं
you
जानते,
don't know how to respect
अरे
anyone.
मैं संहार करता हूँ।
I am the destroyer."
ऐसे करके महादेव
After
जी
saying
को-
this, Mahadev became very angry. He picked up his trident and he was about to kill him.
तब भृगु ऋषि ने विचार करने
Then
लगे,
Bhrigu Rishi
महादेव
thought,
जी स्वयं भगवान।
Mahadev is not God.
अभी इनके हृदय में
In his heart, there is tamogun, mood of
क्योंकि
ignorance.
तमोगुण के द्वारा संहार
Because through this mood, the destruction happens, managing destruction. And by Rajogan, the creation happens.
इसके पश्चात स्वयं
Then
भृगु ऋषि
Bhrigu Rishi,
दौड़ते वैकुंठ
he went to Vaikuntha.
उस समय
At that
स्वयं
time,
भगवान विष्णु
Lord Vishnu,
दरवाजा बंद करके
the room door was closed. He was sitting on his Shesh.
शयन कर रहे थे।
He was sitting on his Shesh bed
भगवान
of
विराजमान
Sheshnag and was absorbed in his yoga nidra, and Lakshmi Devi was massaging his feet.
दबारे से मसाज कर रहे थे। देखो भृगु ऋषि ने क्या किया,
What did Bhrigu Rishi do?
दरवाजा भी खटखटाया, कुछ
He
नहीं,
knocked. He did not do anything. He did not even knock the door. He kicked and opened the door.
दरवाजा खोला। और दरवाजा
He
खोल
opened
करके
the door and then he
स्वयं विष्णु के पास जाकर के
went to Vishnu
और
and he
शक्ति पर
put
जोर से एक लात
he kicked
कर देना।
the chest of Vishnu. He
और उस समय स्वयं
put his
भगवान
feet there,
विष्णु
and that time
जो
Vishnu
निद्रा से उठे देखा,
he woke up from yoga nidra and said, "This Bhrigu Rishi
उनके वक्षस्थल पर
has put a feet on his chest."
देखो
Then
स्वयं भगवान विष्णु
Lord Vishnu,
कितना दीन है,
but he's so
स्वयं
humble.
भगवान विष्णु
Vishnu
भृगु के कहने लगे,
said
ऋषिवर,
to Bhrigu, "Oh dear Rishi,
वक्षस्थल बज्र के भांति
my
बहुत
chest is as like thunderbolt. It's very hard and very, very
और
strong.
आपके पैर
And your feet
कितने सुंदर कोमल से
is so, your foot is so soft is so sensitive. So there must be some pain coming in your foot. Let me massage. Put some medicine on it.
इस प्रकार कहीं पर
After saying this,
भृगु ऋषि विचार
Bhrigu Rishi thought
ये स्वयं भगवान विष्णु
that Vishnu is
ये भगवान
God.
है। इस प्रकार भृगु ऋषि
Like this, Bhrigu Rishi,
देव समाज
he
में
returned back to the assembly of demigods and he established this
ये
fact
स्वयं भगवान विष्णु
that who is God? Vasudeva,
जितने भी
Vishnu.
मंत्र है
All the mantras, the topmost mantra is called
इस मंत्र की कहानी।
this mantra. Om Namo
भगवते वास
Bhagavate Vasudeva.
है। स्वयं भगवान वासुदेव
God Vasudev, Vishnu,
श्रेष्ठ है। ब्रह्मा आदि
topmost.
समस्त देवता
Brahma and all the demigods. Also they also chant this mantra.
जितने भी मंत्र भी जप
All
करे,
the mantras you
मंत्र
chant,
जब तक नहीं करे भगवान,
if you don't chant this
विष्णु
mantra,
के जप, मंत्र जप
if you don't chant Vishnu mantra,
शुद्धिकरण
the heart will never be purified.
है। पहले मंत्र जप करने के पहले
Before chanting mantra,
जो स्नान कहा जाता है,
you need to take a bath.
है। दो प्रकार के स्नान
Two
हैं।
type of bath.
एक जल के द्वारा
One is
हम
bath
स्नान
through
करते
water,
हैं, और दूसरी
and second,
मंत्र से।
bath through mantra.
तन में मैल लगे तो
If body gets dirty, then we can wash with
और
water.
मन में
And if in the heart there is dirt,
मैला लगे तो धो क्या
how to wash?
है? देखो शरीर में तन में यदि
In body,
कीचड़ लग जाए,
if it's dirty, mud
मैला
is
लग
there,
जाए, उसके क्या करोगे?
what will we do?
जल से
We can wash it off with the water.
स्नान हम करते हैं ना हर रोज,
We take bath daily, right?
है? हर रोज हम स्नान इसलिए करते
We
हैं
take bath for this reason daily,
शरीर में मैला पड़ता
because it's the body gets dirty.
है। ये हमारे ऊपर में स्किन है ना,
We have skin, right? This skin every day
एक
need to
skin
clean.
मस्त हो जाता है। जैसे
Like
मैला
every day the skin goes and comes.
एक दिन स्नान नहीं
If you
करो,
don't take a shower one day, your body will
मैला पड़ जाता है।
smell
मैला
really bad.
कहाँ से आ जाता है? बोले तुम्हारी
And the
ये
dirt will come. This dirt is coming from where? This skin, it has 7 layers.
एक एक लेयर हर रोज
And every day one layer is destroyed and new one is created.
है। शरीर में इसलिए कहते हैं तन
That's
में
why
मैल
the body
लगे
is
तो
dirty.
धोए जल से
And you can wash with water.
है। और मन में
And if in the heart it is dirty, then how will you wash it?
हमारे मन में मैला क्या है? काम क्रोध,
What is the dirt in the heart? Anger, lust, and all this enviousness, these things are dirt.
काम क्रोध लोभ मोह मद मत्सर्य आदि, ये सब वो मैला हमारे मन में हृदय में पड़ा
All
हुआ है।
this is in the heart.
इसके मैल को कैसे धोगे?
How do you clean this dirt? You cannot wash with water.
हजार गंगा स्नान करने
You can take Ganga, you can take bath in Ganga 1,000 times. You can go to all the holy places, Tirthas.
मैल की
But
मन की जो मैल
this
जो है,
dirt in the heart, it won't be washed off.
मैल के धोने के लिए उपाय
To wash this, what is the solution?
क्या करते हैं हम लोग?
We chant this mantra, Om Avitra Pavitra.
सर्ववत्तंगतो विवाह जस्मरेत पुंडरीकाक्षं सवैच्छन्तरं शुचि। सभी इस मंत्र के याद रखें।
Everybody remember this mantra.
अपवित्र
Om Avitra Pavitra.
सर्ववत्तंगतो विवाह
Sarvavastagato Rajas Pundarikaksha
सवैच्छ
Sarajya.
बाहर अंतर के लिए पवित्र करिए। किसके नाम लेने से? स्वयं प्रभु के नाम। इसलिए कहते हैं,
We should chant the name of God. Om Pavitra Pavitra.
सर्वोत्तंगतो विवाह,
सर्वोत्तंगतो
जस्मरेत
विवाह।
पुंडरीकाक्ष। भगवान के नाम
Smrit
क्या?
Pundarikaksham.
पुंडरीकाक्ष। पुंडरीक कमल के भांति
Like a lotus, he has a beautiful divine eyes.
विकसित कमल के भांति ऐसे सुंदर।
Like a blooming lotus, he has the
इसलिए
eyes.
भगवान के नाम कहा जाता है
That's why God is called Pundarikaksha.
जो पुंडरीकाक्ष भगवान के नाम लेते हैं,
One who chants his name,
अंतर बाहर
inside outside, purity comes.
जल से स्नान करने पर ही
Even after taking bath with water, we do Deva Archan. Anything you do, you must chant this mantra. Take some water in your hand, do Achman with this mantra.
फिर भी तो कम से कम 3 बार आचमन करना।
3 times you should do Achman. Om Keshavaya Namah.
आचमन से
Idam Achmanam Shri Keshavaya Namah. Idam Achmanam Shri Madhavaya Namah. Idam Achmanam Shri
नारायण
Narayana Namah.
ओम श्री विष्णु से।
Om Shri Vishnu Shri Vishnu.
फिर आपको मंत्र जप करना
Then you
पड़ता है।
should chant this mantra. Om Avitra.
पवित्र वा सर्ववस्थां गतो विवा जस्मरेत पुंडरीकाक्षं स वाच्यपन परम शुचि। बाहर अंतर पवित्र होता है। भगवत
Inside, outside, purity comes with these holy names, with this mantra.
तन में मन लगे,
That's why
तन में मैल लगे तो धोए।
if the body is dirty, then you can wash it this way, with water. And if how to wash the dirt in the heart? By chanting holy names.
श्रीमद् भगवत नाम प्रभु की
नाम प्रभु की जय।
जय जय
श्री राधे
जय जय
श्री राधे।
Then mantra of Vasudev.
यही तो हमारे शास्त्र भागवत की
In Bhagavad,
प्रारंभ में
in the start,
नाम से प्रारंभ
it starts with the holy
भागवत
name.
के बीच में षष्ठ
In the middle, in the 6th canto,
अजामिल की कथा के
in the Ajamil Katha, the glories of the holy name is being expressed.
संकीर्तन परिहास
Sankirtan Parihasam.
वैकुंठ नाम ग्रहण सागरम विधि वैकुंठ भगवान के नाम ग्रहण करने
To
से
chant the holy name,
अनेक पाप सारे पाप
many sins get destroyed, all the sins get destroyed.
नाम की महिमा
Glories of the holy name is like this. And
श्रीमद् भागवत के
in Srimad Bhagavat at the end,
ये भगवत नाम की महिमा
glories of holy names is being expressed at the end.
नाम संकीर्तन जस्य सर्व पाप प्रणाशनम प्रणाम दुख समनम तंग नमामि हरि परम। नाम संकीर्तन
Nama Sankirtan is like
संकीर्तन
this.
के द्वारा श्रीमद् भागवत
By Nam Sankirtan, the Srimad Bhagavatam started,
और नाम संकीर्तन
and by Nama Sankirtan, Srimad Bhagavatam ended.
कुछ भी काम करे
Whatever you do, whatever you say,
आदि मध्य
Adi Madhya Antecha, in the start, middle, and the end, everywhere is the glories of the holy names.
आदि माने
Adi means before,
मध्य मध्यस्थल
Madhya means in the middle. So in the start, in the middle, and at the end. Hari Nam, Harir Nam, Harir Nam, Harir Nama Iva Kevalam.
फलो नास्तिव 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 गतिरन्यथा। इस कलियुग में कुछ
In this
करना
Kali
ही
Yuga, no need to do anything else. Whatever you do,
यदि नाम संकीर्तन
we don't
नहीं
chant
किया,
holy names,
सर्वं फलं निष्फलम्।
everything will be useless.
सब कुछ करने पर भी नाम संकीर्तन नहीं करने
If you
पर
do everything and if you don't do Nam Sankirtan, you won't get the fruits of it.
बड़े बड़े जग जाग कर
We with fire sacrifices, read many Vedas,
मंत्र भी जप करें
chant many mantras, but
नाम
if
संकीर्तन
you don't do Nam Sankirtan, then everything pointless.
कलियुग में
That's why in
केवल
Kali Yuga,
नाम
नाम आधार।
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। कोई भी कार्य अनुष्ठान करे
whatever you do,
कार्य करे शुभ कार्य कुछ भी शुभ कार्य
whatever you do,
सब कार्य की आदि में मध्य में
in the start, in the middle, in the end,
भागवत नाम
chant holy names.
नमनमकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति स्त्रार्पित निमित्त स्मरण न काल एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन मनोति दुर्दैव यदि सफलजन अनुराग।
Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan is like this. And for this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with 8 slokas, he established the glories of the holy name in this world. This is called Shiksha Ashtakam.
क्या कहा जाता है?
Which book is it? Shiksha
आठ
Ashtakam.
श्लोकों के द्वारा
With 8 slokas.
सारे वेद पुराण
All Veda Purana Upanishad essence is this. Shiksha Ashtakam.
कितने सुंदर
Very beautiful book
नाम की
expressing the glories of the holy name.
बोले नाम ग्रहण करने के साथ ही साथ
When it accepts the shelter of holy name simultaneously,
संसार से मुक्त
the jiva is free from all sinful reactions. Cheto Jarpanamarja.
भव महा दावग निर्वापन श्रेय कैर्वचंद का वितरण विद्यावधु जीवन आनंद मुदि वर्धन प्रतिपदम पुण्यम तत्साधन सर्व आत्म स्नपनम परम विजयते श्री कृष्ण संकीर्तन। नाम संकीर्तन
Nam Sankirtan is like this.
नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा जीव की चरण चरम कल्याण हो जाता है।
The topmost benefit for the jivas is to chant holy names.
सारे वेद पाठ
They attain their perfection goal.
अब क्या है? ये हरे नाम
Hari Nam. 2 letters. Hari Nam.
मृत्यु के समय
At the time of death,
श्लोक याद आएगा
will you remember any shloka when you die? Do you remember any glorification, any shloka? Nothing will come in your mind. But at that time, just remember 2 letters, two syllables.
मुख से निकल जाए
Come out from your mouth. then it's enough. Life successful. Tulsidas ji saying, for many lifetimes, the munis, they do many hard efforts, but at the end time, the name of Ram does not manifest on the tongue, even then.
प्रभु के नाम अंत काल में
At the end,
मृत्यु के समय
at time of death,
ये दोनों नाम
these
अक्षर दिखते
two
हैं।
syllables, Ram,
राम कहें
but you say Ram or Krishna.
दोनों अक्षर युक्त नाम, दो अक्षर युक्त नाम
Two syllables,
यहाँ वास्तविक हो जाए।
they may manifest in the tongue at the time of death, then the life is successful. Tulsidas ji saying, munis, they are doing hard efforts for many lifetimes, many. But at the end of the death time, they are not able to remember the name of Ram. If say,
नाम कैसे आएगा?
how will it come at the death time? You need to practice, only then possible.
आज से अभ्यास करना शुरू करें।
Start practicing from today.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। ये कलिसंतन उपनिषद में
Here's the Kali Santan Upanishad, Vyasdev.
कलियुग के इसके महामंत्र
He explained the Mahamantra of Kali Yuga. Every Yuga has a different mantra.
की महामंत्र
Satyayuga Mahamantra is,
त्रेता युग की
Mahamantra of Dwapar Yuga is there, Treta Yuga Mahamantra is there, and Kali Yuga Mahamantra is here also.
षोडश नामानि दात्रिंश अक्षर
32 letters, 16 words, 32 letters, 32 syllables. Naam. This is the holy name. People, they chant reverse, they start from Hare Ram. No. Kali Santan Upanishad in scripture you can open and see. Vyasdev is writing. Some people say Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. People chant like this. No, this is not proper. In Kali Santan Upanishad, you get this book, if you find this, in Jaipur, the library is there, museum. The book is there, Kali Santan Upanishad, it's written there. The Maha Mantra of Kali Yuga.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. इसी प्रकार से
Just like this,
भागवत में संदेश
in
देते
Srimad
हैं।
Bhagavad, the message is being
ये नाम
given.
संकीर्तन
That Nam Sankirtan is the
नाम
topmost.
संकीर्तन के द्वारा ही
By Nam Sankirtan only,
सब कुछ करना है।
the jivas can attain their perfection goal.
जब
Jab
ये
agre
पहुंचते
namatubhyam.
श्रीमद् भागवत
In Srimad Bhagavad, evidence is coming. Oh, Nam Sankirtan is so sweet and glorious. Oh, Sapach Sapach means dog meat eater, one who cooks dog meat. Chandal. For once, if they chant holy names, then they are even higher than the Samavedi Brahman. Bhagavad is giving evidence. Aho bato supachat griya. Jada jihagre vartate namatubhyam. Oh, glories of holy name is like this. And everything is done if you chant holy names. You get the fruits of reading all the Vedas, you get the fruits of taking bath in all the holy rivers. The glories of the holy name is like this. What is the fruits of listening to Vedas? The essence, the one point is to chant holy names. Ra, Ma, two syllables, Ram. Everything is confined in it. The supreme universe is everything is present in God. Who is that God? Whether you say Ram or Krishna. No difference between Ram and Krishna. In Rasa Vichar, the special point is being expressed. That same Prabhu, in form of Ram, he is in Ayodhya. And that same Prabhu, in Vrindavan, is in form of Krishna. But the glories of Krishna are being expressed.
गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहम भजामि। ब्रह्म संहिता में प्रमाण
Brahma Samhita evidence is given.
कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान।
Krishna is God.
इसमें कहा गया एते
For this
चंचकलाप
regard,
एते चंचकलाप में से कृष्णस्तु भगवान। कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान।
Krishna is God himself.
इसलिए प्राप्त व्रत
So, Supreme Personality of God.
हम आ जाए।
Let's take his shelter.
जीवन में और कुछ क्या है? जितने भागवत पाठ आदि के तात्पर्य क्या है?
What is the essence of reading Bhagavatam and everything?
नाम में बड़ी चीज़ है।
We just need to develop faith on chanting holy names.
श्रीमद् भागवतम सती तद्रसं कृत्य समानम साधु कचित। सर्वस्व वेद पुराण उपनिषद
All Ved Purana Upanishad, the essence of everything is
श्रीमद् भागवत।
Srimad Bhagavatam.
इस भागवत की कथा में किसी की रुचि हो
If someone develops faith in this Bhagavatam,
और किसी में उसकी रुचि नहीं।
they won't get faith in anything else. In the end,
संग भगवान उद्धव के उपदेश दिया।
God gave his suggestion
हे
to.
उद्धव न साधु
He said to Uddhav, "Oh Uddhava, satathinam na sanktanam Uddhava, na sadha tapastyavo, yata bhakti mam arjita."
स्वयं भगवान कहने
God said, Uddhav,
सुनो
listen,
न साधुति
na sadhati mam yoga.
योग सिद्धि आदि के द्वारा मुझे
No one can attain me with yoga siddhi.
न साधु मान योग न संक धर्म
Na Sankha Dharma, by astrology and by this no one can attain me.
सत्य है वेद अध्ययन
By studying
और
Vedas,
वेद पूजा अर्चन आदि के द्वारा
by Veda Puja Archan, not possible.
यथा भक्ति मम जीता
Bhakti Mama Arjita, only by bhakti,
मुझे भक्ति करनी।
only through bhakti someone attain me.
और कलयुग में भक्ति क्या है?
In Kali Yuga, what is bhakti? Chant holy names.
नविदा भक्ति 9
The limes of Bhakta Bhakti are there. Saram Kirtanam Vachana Smaram Pada Sevanam.
अर्चन बंदनस्य सक्ख आत्मनिवेदनम इति पुरुषार्थिता विष्णु भक्तिश्चेत नवलक्षणम। नवलक्षण युक्त ये भक्ति है 19
The 9 links of bhakti are these. The topmost one is to chant holy name.
स्मर्तव्य
Shortava, Samartava.
उसके नाम जो है श्रवण करना चाहिए।
You should hear his holy names, to kirtan of it.
और स्मर्तव्य स्मरण नाम प्रभु के द्वारा सब कुछ हो जाता है।
Everything happens by the mercy of Nama Prabhu.
जीवन में
Don't do
नाम
anything
लेके।
else.
इतने दिन 7 दिन भागवत
For
कथा
7
श्रवण,
days,
फल क्या है?
what are the fruits of listening to Bhagavatam?
हमें नाम में रुचि है।
We must develop taste towards chanting holy names. Nothing else. This is the objective.
इस प्रकार
Like this,
स्वयं भगवान
God,
उद्धव की भी एक कथा
he also expressed this to Uddhav
एकादश स्कंध में
in 11th canto.
साधन हमें दिखाया।
The sadhana is being expressed.
शब्द वस्तु क्या हमें कैसे प्राप्त
How can we attain our perfection goal?
और
And
अंत में स्वयं
at the
भगवान
end, God
उद्धव के बोले
said to Uddhav, "Oh Uddhav,
देखो
look,
ये जरूर
this Yad king dynasty of Yadavas is almost finished.
एक प्रकार से स्वयं भगवान अपने नित्य परिकरों के
God,
लेकर के
he with his eternal associates, he ascended back to his transcendental abode.
और एक स्वरूप में
And in one form,
इस संसार के लोगों की
he,
वंचना करने के
to
लिए
reject and trick the people of this material world, he manifested a disappearance pastime. Like he was shot by arrow, this pastime. In Bhagavatam, this is explained also. Once upon a time,
यही द्वारिकापुरी में
in Dwarkapuri,
कुछ संत महात्मा विराजमान
Santa
थे।
Mahatma was there.
और उस समय
At that time,
सम-
Samb,
उनके एक सुंदर स्त्री वस्त्र पहना दी।
Samb, he disguised as a woman
संत महात्मा
and he came in front of Santa Mahatma and said,
आप लोग तो त्रिकालज्ञ ऋषि
"You are Trikalagya Rishi, you know past, present, future, everything. So tell us,
ये
this
महिला
lady
जो है, अभी बच्चा
will
देने वाली है।
is about to give birth to a baby. She's pregnant.
ये बहुत नाजुक है।
She's very sensitive. She's very shy.
आप लोग बताइए
Tell us,
ये बालक के जन्म
she will give birth to a boy or a girl?"
उस समय नारद
At that time, Narad, Durvasa Rishi, big rishis were there, sitting there. Trikalagya, who know past, present, future, everything.
वो समस्त बालक ये कहने लगे
The children said, "Wow,
साधु के देखा नहीं है।
you don't know the glories of sadhu. You don't realize sadhu." They said to the
और देखो
children.
उस समय
At that time,
अभिशाप दे।
they cursed.
इसके गर्भ से ना
Durvasa
बालक
Rishi
होगा
said,
और ना
he will not give birth, this lady will not give birth to a boy, neither a girl. from his womb a musal,
और यही
a very very strong piece of destructive iron will take birth, and this will be the cause of destruction of your dynasty of Yadavas.
साथ ही साथ सारे बालक
All the children,
उनके
they,
पेट में जो कपड़ा रखा
the stomach, in the stomach there was a cloth. They brought out this cloth, and it was so powerful. They saw the cloth transformed
वास्तव रूप में
into a
जैसे एक
musal,
जो है
a very very strong piece of destructible like iron, very very strong piece of iron it was,
अभी क्या करें
like a
सब
mortar.
डर गए।
Everyone was afraid,
भगवान के निकट पूछे
and they
उग्रसेन के पूछा
asked Ugrasen.
उग्रसेन करके ना रे बांस ना
Ugra
कोई
said,
बांस,
no bamboo, no
काम
flute, so do one thing, let's destroy
इसी
it.
मुसूल के लोहे की जो मुसूल जो है
This very strong piece of iron, rub it against the rock.
और सब
And
सब बिल्कुल उसको घिसने लगे।
Everyone started to rub it and break it and shed it down into powder and pieces.
वो सब समुद्र के
All that
जल से और
touched the ocean water
डीप और आने लगे।
and it went with the ocean.
और उससे
Then
इस सरखंडा
Sarkhanda,
बांस के भांति
it was like a very very
उसके जो है पत्ता आ गया। और जितने भी छोटा सा जो रह गया था
so the small piece of iron was left,
पकड़ नहीं पा रहा।
and they were not able to grab it by the hand and rub it with the rock. Then they threw that small piece of rock in the ocean.
और ठीक उसी समय कोई एक मछली जो है
A fish came and a fish ate that small piece of rock, and it was in the stomach of that
जरा
fish.
नाम से एक जो है
And there was a hunter called Jara.
मछली को
He
है, लाया।
got that. He caught that fish, and when he cut the fish, he saw this small piece of iron,
और उन्हें
and then he used that iron to make an arrow. He put that on his arrow. Surprisingly, further katha, Sukdev Goswami Pad is explaining. Maharaj Parikshit, see,
एक दिन के बाद
one day
ये सारे यदुवंशी यादव लोग
all the Yadavas,
बैठे हुए थे
they were sitting,
सोमरस पान किया था।
they were drinking
और अपने
somras.
आपस में कुछ बात करते छोटी सी बात करते करते करते
After drinking,
और तर्क होने लगे तर्क इतने बढ़ने लगे
they were started to argue about some little thing, and it increased so much that people started to fight and slaughter each other
समुद्र के उपकूल में
on the same banks of that ocean, where they
उठा करके एक दूसरे के
picked up and they started to beat with the stones around each other, and everyone died.
ऋषि बात का ऋषि के हिसाब व्यर्थ नहीं
Because the curse given by Rishi won't go in vain, it will make its effects. Like this, the whole Yadavas dynasty destroyed.
बलदेव प्रभु ने ये देखा
Baldev Prabhu saw this and he thought, now it's time to leave.
स्वयं बलदेव प्रभु
Baladev Prabhu, he manifested a form of,
धाम में चले गए
in one form he went to his translated labor, and in one form he manifested a form of a snake, and he went through the whole, because he's an incarnation of Sheshnag,
अनुकूल विश्व ब्रह्मांड के लिए
one who is holding all the universe on his head.
ऐसे समुद्र के जल में शेष
So the Sheshnag, he went back into the ocean.
स्वयं भगवान देखा
Then Bhagavan God saw
सारे यदुकुल अपने आपस में
the Yadavas fighting among themselves, and got destroyed.
भगवान प्रभास तख्त पर
God, he went to Prabhas Kshetra,
बैठे
he sat down at a place,
सारी उनके उपदेश दिए।
he gave explained many things to Uddhav.
स्वयं भगवान उद्धव के उपदेश
God, he said to Uddhav,
और सारी वर्णाश्रम धर्म से लेकर के सारी कथा सुनाए उपदेश दिया
and he
और
explained
बोले
everything
देखो
from Varnashram Dharma to everything.
ये द्वारिकापुरी
He said,
समुद्र
this
के
Dwarkapuri will drown in the ocean, go away from here.
विश्वकर्मी मैत्री और विदुर
So Maitri and Vidur,
समाचार के लिए वो लोग तड़प
they must be waiting for my message. Go and give them this message.
विदुर मैत्री संवाद
Vidur Maitri Sanvad is also there in Bhagavatam,
और
and
उद्धव जी बहुत दुखित हुए
Uddhav became very
अंत
upset.
कृष्ण के आदेश प्राप्त करके
After receiving last instructions of Krishna, he went away,
स्वयं भगवान
and God
यही प्रवास तीर्थ में
in Prabhas Tirtha,
एक पेड़ के
he sat underneath a tree,
नीचे पीपल पेड़ के
the
नीचे
peepal tree.
जुगासन पर बैठे
He sat
और
down,
भगवान चरण कमल को दूर से
and from far away, this Jara hunter
उनको
saw his lotus feet, and he assumed that this is a face of a beautiful deer. Thinking this from far away, this hunter shot the arrow,
वही
And on the tip of that arrow, it was made of the same piece of iron that was coming from the curse of Trishya, and it hit the foot of God, and then God, he manifested his pastime of disappearing, like leaving the body.
इसकी कहा जाता है भगवान इस लीला को कहा जाता है
This is called Indra Jalik Leela.
हमारे आचार्य पाद
Our acharyas, they explain.
जादूगर दिखाते हैं अनेकों प्रकार के
Like magicians, they show many tricks.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
Just as like that, God,
साधारण लोगों की
he
समझाते हैं कर्म मार्ग ज्ञान मार्ग
to
के लोगों की
cheat and trick the people of Karma Mad, Mayavad, to teach them.
मैं भी तुम्हारे
They are teaching just like you, like God is saying to them, just like you, I am also living this body. But the body of God is actually transcendental.
आत्मा की आत्मा परमात्मा भगवान
He's the super soul, the supreme. How can a piece of arrow hit him?
गीता में स्वयं भगवान
In Gita, God is saying,
आत्मा में वायु स्पर्श नहीं कर सकता आग जिसको जलाने
fire cannot burn the soul, soul is non-destructible. Knife cannot cut the soul. And the super soul, how can a piece of arrow hit the super soul?
इसलिए कहा जाता है
This is called Indrajalik Leela, illusional like pastime,
भगवान
meant to
एक
trick.
ही साथ में दो लीला आदि करते रहा
So like this, God is manifesting two pastimes simultaneously. In one way, He is nourishing the devotees with His prema, and second, He is rejecting the Mayavadis. Depending on their qualification, they are following the different path. You can say 1,000 times, but people won't understand.
भगवान की कृपा जिसके ऊपर
Those who have mercy of God, they will understand.
न्यायात्मा
Nanatma pravachanala.
न मेधया न बहुना सुतेन जमे वैसे भृत तेन लब्धो तस्सैष आत्मा विभ्रूते रुष्टा भगवान के दिव्य प्राप्ति की लीला को
Beautiful pastimes of Lord is like this. Only they can realize, those who
संपूर्ण रूप से
are
है
completely surrendered to the gods.
और ये समस्या लीला का था
And all this Leela Katha, Sukdev Goswami Pada expressed to Parikshit Maharaj.
इसमें जो है एक महिषी हरण लीला
There is one Mahishi Haran Leela also,
ये दोनों
and Yadukul Lash Leela. These two
अंतर्जालिक
are Indrajalik Leela, the destruction of Yadava's dynasty and the kidnapping of the wives of Krishna.
समय हो चुका है।
Now the time is up.
इस प्रकार कथा
Like this,
और गुरु की भी कथा भी वर्णन
there are other kathas in 12th canto,
कथा भी वर्णन किया
other yugas kathas are also there.
इनको इतिहास में सुखदेव गोस्वामी परीक्षित महाराज ने श्रवण कराया
Sukdev Goswami Pada explained many things to Parikshit Maharaj. Also explained about Kali Yoga.
कि मनुष्य की कैसे कैसे मनुष्य होंगे
How will the people will be? How will they have everything about Kali Yuga is explained.
वास्तव ये सत्य है
In reality, this is true.
हम देखते हैं
Today in Kali Yuga we see
भागवत में
in Bhagavad it is explained.
और इसके पश्चात संग
And then Sukdev Goswami Pad said,
हे महाराज
Maharaj Parikshit,
आपके 7 दिन समाप्त हो
7 days about to finish now.
और आप समाधिस्थ हो अपने मन के जो है भगवत कथा में
Get your mind absorbed in Bhagavad Katha and think about the beautiful pastimes of God.
और ऐसे करने पर स्वयं परीक्षित
Then
महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj,
चित्त प्रकम पे स्थिर होकर
he sat still and he concentrated fully on God.
और
And then he, with his,
अपराधी को दिव्य शरीर के
he
द्वारा
realized his transcendental spiritual form, and with that he attained the Golok Vrindavan.
जिससे हमारे सनातन गोस्वामी पाद कहते हैं,
Sanatan Goswami Pad says,
परीक्षित महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj, he attained Goti Bhaprapta, one who has attained the mood of gopis.
प्रकट करके
He attained the mood of gopis and he entered the eternal Golok Vrindavan Dham.
और ऊपर से शरीर जो रहा
And then his body, from out external body,
आकर
the Takshak snake came and bit the body as per the destiny. And then
आगे की लीला वर्णन किया।
further Katha is explained.
इस कथा को जैसे
This Katha, Satya Goswami Pad explained to Swanakadi rishis.
और
And Sukdev Goswami Pad
उस स्थान को छोड़ करके चले गए।
left that place. And
इसके पश्चात
after this,
परीक्षित के महाराज के जो पुत्र
Parikshit Maharaj's son,
जन्मेंजय जब राजा हुए
the
तब जन्मेंजय ने
Janmenjay, when he became the king, he saw, my father
एक कांटा
was bit by Takshak.
इसलिए उन्होंने
For this regard,
सर्प निधन यज्ञ आदि करना
he organized a fire sacrifice to finish all the snakes. And especially this, he wanted to kill this Takshak snake. He did a fire sacrifice.
और उस समय
And then
ब्रह्मा आदि देवता
Brahma and other demigods
उनके निकट आकर
came in front of him and they expressed all the
हे
katha.
जन्मंजय
So, O Janmanjay, in reality, your father,
परीक्षित महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj,
नित्य धाम में
he
और नित्य
is
सेवा
in
में
is absorbed in his eternal service, in the eternal abode.
इतने मंत्र दृष्टा ऋषि लोग थे
The rishis,
जन्मंजय ऋषि के आदेश से वो सब
Janmanjay, they were doing fire sacrifice. They were chanting the name of a snake and then doing fire sacrifice. All the snakes, they were burned in the fire sacrifice. And then when they chant the name of Takshak,
वो स्वयं इंद्र के सिंहासन
the
में
Takshan, he hid in the throne of Indra.
आश्रय और इधर मंत्र दृष्टा
And when the rishis chanted this mantra, Mom Takshaya Swaha,
करने लगे
they chanted this mantra. With Indra, the whole throne Takshak came in. Then Brahma and the demigods came and they stopped that fire sacrifice. And then they explained all the katha. And oh,
जन्मेंजय
Janmanjay,
हिंसा के द्वारा
by violence,
कोई लाभ नहीं
there's no benefit will come. Non-violence is the best religion.
अहिंसा ही परम धर्म
Non-violence is the best. By violence, no benefit will come.
है इस प्रकार
Like this,
ब्रह्मा आदि
Brahma and other demigods,
आकर के पक्ष
they
पे
came
समझाया
and they explained to Takshak.
पुनः
And again,
उनकी भागवत कथा श्रवण
they recited Bhagavatam.
है। इसलिए
For this regard,
जन्मेंजय
Janmanjay
है और जर्मनी ऋषि की कथा इस प्रकार
and Germany Rishi Katha said, Rishi said, O Janmanjay,
जब सुखदेव गोस्वामी
when Sukdev Goswami Pad,
भागवत कथा को जब श्रवण
when
किया,
he was reciting
मैं इस
Bhagavatam,
कथा में था।
I was present there.
उसी कथा को मैं
So that same Katha I will tell to you.
अंत में
At the end,
जैमिनी ऋषि
Jaimini Rishi,
जन्मेंजय
he
की
explained to Janmanjay this Bhagavad
इस
Katha.
प्रकार
Like this,
भागवत कथा की
Bhagavad Katha and
अनेकों कथा
ended.
इसमें
There are
है।
many Kathas are here, explanation is there, but
बड़ी ही परम
Hari is the supreme.
परम हरि के नाम ग्रहण से
Chant the holy name, then the jivas will attain the topmost benefit. In this Kali Yuga,
नाम संकीर्तन
your Harinam Sankirtan can help.
नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा
By
ही
this Nama Sankirtan,
परम
the jivas can attain the topmost benefit.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्व पाप प्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखं सामनन्तं नमामि हरिपदं। हरि नाम संकीर्तन
By Nam Sankirtan, we need to do Nam Sankirtan.
जब जो कुछ भी दान
By
करना,
fire sacrifice, donation, whatever you do,
मात्र नाम संकीर्तन
do Nam Sankirtan also. Without Nam Sankirtan, everything you do will be fruitless.
निष्फलं भवेत्।
Nishphalam bhavat.
के नाम
That's why chanting holy name is very important.
गोविंद बल हरि गोपाल
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो
गोविंद बल हरि गोपाल
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो
राधा रमण गिरिधारी
राधा रमण गिरिधारी
गिरिधारी
गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी राधा रमण गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी राधा रमण गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी राधा रमण गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी बोलो बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।